Hello, and welcome to the norming video for the 4th grade math constructed response for CA1. To get started, you will need the exemplar response posted on Blackboard, and you will also need the constructed response rubric, which is also posted on Blackboard underneath where the CA is posted. To get started, question number 1 asks scholars to take a look at Holly delivering packages for her mom and seeing that she rode her bicycle for a various number of miles. What we would like to see here is scholars show a visual representation of those decimals that are in the problem. As you can see from the constructed response rubric, constructed response question number 1 is worth a total of 4 points. They get 1 point awarded for each picture that is shaded correctly. So 2 of them should be shaded completely, and half of the third picture should be shaded. As you can see, they get 1 point, 1 point, and 1 point. For part B, they get 1 point awarded if they write the correct decimal point, which shows how many miles she rode total. They would need to add together 0.4, 0.5, 0.7, and 0.9 together to get 2.5 miles. They don't get additional credit for showing work because they could use the image to show their work. Going down to question number 2. Question number 2 asks scholars to take a close eye at this table and then to answer questions related to the table. Constructed response question 2 is worth a total of 3 points. For part A, they should write the number of tons of cabbage grown in the United States in words. What they would need to do is they would need to find the United States, and they would need to find the number next to it, and they need to write it into words. As you can see over here, it's written out for you, but spelling should not count against the scholars, but use this within reason. For example, if they leave out the U in thousands, that's okay, but if you can't really tell what the number is trying to say, you cannot award that first point. For part B, they should be awarded the correct answer, which is about 1,300,000. Rounding should not count against the scholars, so if they simply subtract right here, that's okay. You can give them credit for that. You can also see that right here the exemplar shows a slightly different rounding answer than I have up here. So within reason, you can give credit as long as you can tell that they subtracted correctly and that they attempted to round. You can give them credit if they subtracted correctly. Part C is where you can really begin to tell if scholars are understanding multiples of tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and what should happen with these additional zeros in a number. Well, they should be multiplying. They may choose to multiply a rounded answer of 3 million, or they may use the full answer of 3,200,000. You should award 1 point for the correct answer of about 21 million tons. Rounding should not count against the scholars here either, so 22,400,000 is an acceptable answer. If you have any questions, sit down with your campus leadership team or talk to your grade level team about how to norm on certain answers. Or if you have further questions, you can always reach out to your CTL or to your curriculum coordinator. Thank you.